Hello, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, you get one story when I carry come today of a Igbo woman when married to Yoruba man. So, say on normal issue, if Igbo born for person and you never put money for the girl head, not be the man get the pikin, and their tradition na it be that. But this story when I carry come now, after I talk this the way I want talk, my small piece of advice too, I go play the video so that I will listen by una self. So this story come like this Igbo woman, he married to he born for, because I don't know whether he married, he born for one Yoruba man. The baby na baby girl, so they can't give her that Yoruba tribe mark where be tiri for face. So as he born, I don't know wetin happen, because they don't talk wetin happen there. So as he born, now he carry the baby run comot for where this Yoruba man dey, carry am run go Igbo land. So from there now, I'm not sure say the woman still dey alive, and this baby girl now don grow, e don advance to marry. No man dey gree marry am. He say if Igbo man see am, you go say no fit marry Yoruba girl when get this kind big mark for face, when no even know their place, then the man go. If Yoruba man see am, say na big men na him dey see. No be say no poor man when don't come away. If any man when don't come away like this, he must give excuse. He say if Yoruba man see am, he won't marry am. He go say, this one when they get this tribe Yoruba mark for face. So when he not even they speak Yoruba, when he not even know in place, he no fit go marry his sister. He said they go leave am. So this thing can't they bother her. He said now so she take go, she get one church when she can't go. They can't say if papa lay curse on her. So now make her no make her no marry. If you see this not be even get lady now, it don't advance because of this problem. It don't advance. And if you won't even go commit suicide, now the person for even see am, can't say you go adopt am. So after I don't talk, because I get my own piece of advice when I won't give for here today. So after I don't talk, then I will still play the video so that I will watch am by myself. So now, so wetin be my matter for this issue now? Wetin the father and the mother do now can they affect the baby? As a mother, you born for man, because the thing they happen for everywhere. It can't even come up for this Europe. They go deny man for right of baby, and they no go even let the man they see the baby. They will carry the man from Italy, carry the baby from Italy. They will come Germany here, come sit down. See, if you be that kind of person, notice say you they do am, you they use and they affect the man. No, at the end of the day, you go use am affect that baby. You just tell man, you carry my baby for Berlin, and you tell am say, I dey go Germany. No, at the end of the day, you reach Germany, that man go call you. You know go pick up. Or you dey Germany here, you carry my baby, he dey with you. You dey look the man, they depart and comot. And no be say you know the man family for house, so no be say you know where the man dey, and you dey look the man, they depart and comot. You still dey look the man, they depart and like that to comot, and that baby not get access to him father. You think say they do good thing, you know you do good thing. When that baby go grow now, you go use all those things when you do, you use and affect the baby. Even if now man will be say you even know for house, even better, because if that man don't see you for here, he will go find your papa and your mama for house. He will go find your family for house. This one now not be say you know. No be say I dey come, my people, my call dey enter my phone, so I need to come out. No be say you know this man for anywhere, but you jam am here, you born for am, you carry belle for am, you come out from another country, enter another country, you don't off your phone, or you come out from another country, come another country, you don't follow another man, you don't off your phone. Do not they use and fed that man. Because men, they feel marry another wife, you go give the children when they want. But that baby, tomorrow it go grow, it will come to ask you, where is my father? Or where my father? Or one thing when you go need the father for, you not go see him. Or you there here now, you just there here. You not let your not be saying your man do you bad though. But maybe you just get that bad thought for mind. People don't spoil your mind. Say not let your man do 50-50 oh. And that man not get access to that baby. Okay, say no want again, come out. Now you carry your baby, they go. At the end of the day, that baby need the father, you know, see. See this girl now, not be even girl again, lady. He begin to jump up and down, they look for him father, they go because of situation when they pass through for life. And he won't go commit suicide. Because of saying mother carry him, come out, he run. If you be that kind of person, you know, the truth is always bitter, my people. If you talk truth, people go say, now she no pass. No, not be saying now she no pass, oh. They say what goes around comes around. Anything when you do, once you get picking with person, and you they do something with that person when you get picking with, think about your children first. Your children first. Put your children first. Not go put yourself first. Because you when you don't born that picking, you don't play rule. Your rules, you don't plan for that your picking body. You don't do your own finish. Now that your picking will carry for where you for stop. So if you they do something, and they look many people today, because of many things, they do something, whether the children you not concern them, but they won't just take their own decision. They don't care about the children. But tomorrow, if you not see person when I advise you, say what they do, it will affect your children tomorrow. It will affect your children tomorrow. So the thing come with woman, it come with man also. Yes. Yes, it come with woman, it come with man. You as a man, you get children for woman hand, and you begin to misbehave. You they jump up and down. You not care for the life of those children. My dear, the time when you take the road as a man, you go regret them. 100% sure. Because you go need children, you will need all those children, you not go see. So sometimes, when we do something for this life, we have to think about our children. It matters a lot. To take decision is very easy. Yes. Sometimes, it gets some things when I they like to share to people out there to learn. To take decision, so to say this thing, make I not do anything, is very easy because now any bad decision when you take, devil, they so and anything where devil they support, it's very easy. But anything when they say God they support, it's very hard for you to pass through. But if not devil, sharp. You just take the decision right now. If you be person when devil they quit the remote, for you to spoil everything now, it not go hard you. But if you be person when you get that idea, when you get that sense, when you get that mind of God, and you they think about feeling of your children, no matter what, you put your children first. Even if as a parent you're not happy, let your children happiness be your priority. Let your children happiness be your priority. Yes, think first before you do. If you not get children, you just single, it's very easy for you to walk away. Yes, walk away. But when children don't date, that relationship, it don't date. There is nothing you can do about it. Children don't draw both of you together, and there is nothing you can do about it. But because of that, think of the children. Yes, think of their life. think of if they grow tomorrow. How are they going to feel? How they will look me? Or how? If you know, it get how things will be. If you not fit again, you walk away. Your children will not say, yes, my father try or my mother try. That one, na just normal. But say, not be that kind one. You just wake up. You won't just misbehave. Nothing. And you just, my dear, may we think, oh, because we be parents. Me, I be mother. Yes. I don't want to see that sad for my children's face as a mother. Yes. There are a lot of things you come across. There are a lot of things you pass through, but because of your children, you just let it go. Yes, you let it go. So, we as a parent, when we know they do things. Okay, see this girl now. If I'm not mistaken now, this lady now don't reach 40 years. He never married. Because of waiting their parents do. Maybe when she did 1 year old. Or she never reached 1 year old. 40 years, more, say 40 years ago. The girl, they suffer. Now they say something, you might think say you they do something today. But time to come, now you will know that result of that thing when you do. You feel not know today. Because people go to push you. People go to put fire. This one go to put fire. You don't know what you they do today. But time to come. That girl now, if it then they insult the mama for grave, or they blame all the whole blame because now the mama carry and run commot for a mama. Likewise, if baby grow with mama, you don't see the papa or na the papa now, so you go to lay the problem on the father, and you go see some people will carry class. They pursue their parent, they go. Now what did the parent cause? Not be say they just want one. They get reason. So they pursue them, they go. Or they will pursue one for inside. Because of waiting, they do one don't do for inside. 40 years ago, when we think about this thing, 40 years ago, when this girl, most say now 40 years, because no, I mean just the guess, because that one, you know the 30s again. No say 40. You are the same. May they run for him. Because waiting, the mama do, or na the papa do, because maybe something happen when the mama can't run come out. Or something not happen when the mama can't run come out. We don't know. We only hear, say, see as it be. We don't know what happen for both of them. But we as a parent, when we dey lay curse on our children, may we change, may we stop and lay curse on your own children. Stop it. Because if you're not there alive again, nobody there to return that curse. And you don't want my children better, it's not there. So stop it, because if that pikin better tomorrow, you go better. Stop to the lay curse on your children, or stop to the narrate your own children to people outside. Because people outside, when they narrate your children to, you don't know them. You only know yourself. Trust yourself, not trust any other person for outside. People when they narrate your children to, hey, my pikin do this, oh, hey, my pikin, you know her, you don't know her. Or you they lay curse on your children front of somebody, or you dey person present, person dey where you dey, you say this thing when my pikin dey do, it not will ever happen, and this thing not will. My dear, if you be that kind person, change. Because God no will come to you direct to tell you say change. Now person go send to you to tell you say change. If you want talk to your pikin direct. No go dey narrate and give people, or begin dey lay curse on your children. This one now, they lay curse on now. He don't know what happened, but the lay curse on him. The curse now is walking. They walk for and they go. Eh? Some people now you go see them. They will narrate their picking for a person. You that person with the narrator, you don't know. Also, people will then now. You don't think they swear for their picking. They swear for their picking. That picking when they swear for. If you better tomorrow, you know go better for you. Maybe not that picking be more good now for all your children. You don't let curse on her. You don't narrate and fool everywhere. So everything now don't spoil. And you go remain for inside poverty. Because people like poverty. Yes. You suppose as a mother or as a father, you supposed to pray for your children. Anywhere they are, God should bless them. God should better their life. Not because they lay curse on them. Stubborn children, they change tomorrow to a better children. So your prayer for your stubborn children is to change. You pray for them. You they pray that secret prayer, prayer as a mother or as a father for to change. To make that your stubborn pikin they okay, to make them better tomorrow. Not be say you get stubborn pikin, you begin lay curse, and you dey worsen the whole issue for that your pikin. You dey worsen everything. Never you lay curse on your children. Never you narrate your children as a mother or as a father. It's not good. The thing might not happen today, but it will happen. Time to come. 40 years. Now we they look like that. Yes, speaking when they born that day, before you know it, don't reach 20 years. Don't. Now we they look like that. 50 years now we they look like that. So may we change, my people. So make I put the video because I say make I give my own advice before I will put the video. More and watch the video by una self so that more and see am. So more and watch the video, my people.
29th December 2020, an unexpected visitor conveyed in a commercial tricycle came calling at the Ojaba residence of our community leader, Alhaji Nureni Akanbi. The Keke Napep rider had brought a fair-complexioned woman with Yoruba tribal mark to the family house of Alhaji Akanbi, who is the Aroleiba Oluyole. According to the Keke Napep rider, the stranger who arrived from Ijebu-Ode earlier in the day asked him to convey her to Ojaba area where she intended to inquire about a missing link in her life. Hence, he brought her to the community leader.
It was last week, Tuesday, exactly this time, around to 12. I came in. I just met one Mariwa outside the gate there. The Mariwa driver, I said, why did you park Mariwa this side of the gate? He said he brought some people. Then I saw this young lady. I was greeting her in Yoruba language because of her tribal marks. He said she didn't understand. They are here to see me. See me for what? Then I came inside and sat. The Mariwa man was introducing her. Say, who are you? What's your name? She cannot even speak any Yoruba language. She cannot even pronounce A or B. So she started telling me that she came to Ibadan with this Mariwa without knowing anybody.
Although she was unable to communicate in Yoruba language despite her Yoruba facial mark, she expressed herself in English. Her story goes thus.
What brought me here is that I have already due to settle. It's not that man is not coming to my hand in marriage. They are coming, big people. No poor people have come to my hand in marriage in life. But at the end, they will say, is it Yoruba they are marrying or Igbo? Because I did not even hear Yoruba. I now change my mind. It reached a stage, I said, okay, let me change my mind and marry Yoruba. Yoruba man will now come. When he look at this mark, he will say, no, I don't want to marry my sister. Because I don't know, maybe you are from my family now. Tell me the truth. Let us start finding it. Before I know, the person will just go like that. this last one now is from Oyo. I said, okay, since it's from Oyo, through this mark, okay, let me settle with him. The same thing he said. Then I start moving from one place to another. So when I got to the church, they now say I have to go and find my biological father. That he left us because my mommy, they took me by force. They didn't want to hand his daughter to him.
The mission of the lady who speaks Igbo fluently is to look for a biological father, a Yoruba man, and a soldier simply called Balogun, whom she had never set her eyes on. The lady, who gives her name as Vivian Omen, claimed that her mother of Igbo tribe, who is now late, took her to Enugu, making it impossible for her father to see her again. She's been living with her mother's relatives before she became a grown-up lady. It took a long time before she knew she had tribal marks, as she was forbidden from using a mirror by her people. She has only one request in her mission to Ibadan, looking for a biological father known as Balogun, a soldier. Having explained her ordeal, the lady threatened to commit suicide by 31st December 2020, 2 days away, which happened to be her birthday, if she was unable to locate her biological father. Touched by this statement, Alhaji Akanbi was moved to compassion and gave a rare commitment.
I said, you don't need to commit suicide. I'm adopting you from today. So for that day, I will do everything humanly possible. So when it was 5 o'clock, I have to give her rice and give her money go and celebrate your birthday. I'm adopting her pending the time of anybody wanted to claim her. I've instructed my lawyer. So whoever has claim should contact me.
There is no doubt about the fact that the trip of this lady has not been in vain. The first reason, Alhaji Nureni Akanbi has decided to adopt her as his child and take full responsibility for her well-being. But beyond this lady honestly desires to know her father, her real biological father. And that's the reason why she was in Ibadan. Abioye Ayonide, BCOS News.
So una don watch the video finish. So now so we see am o. So abeg more na try more know the lay curse on our children. And for those of you they carry children, they run up and down. You don't know the man, and you don't know the man place. You they carry the children, they run up and down. Abeg, no carry the pikin run again. You not follow the man, no me say you they carry the pikin, they run up and down for the man. Make the man know they see the pikin, or make the man know they close to the pikin. It not good. No parent won't experience that kind of thing. Say they know will see their pikin, or they know will they close to their pikin. At least give them access. Make it they see a pikin at all. Even if na outside the stand, go give them there. He go carry a pikin, he go still feel a pikin. So abeg, if una never subscribe to my YouTube channel, abeg una subscribe and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be notified. And if you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Stay blessed, my people, and do take my advice. See you in my next video. Bye.